Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all will be alright. Let's start with the name of Allah, who is the perfect and giver of peace. Today we will discuss parts of speech. The part is preposition. Harfi jar. The definition of preposition is a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation. एक प्रपोजिशन ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि एक नाउन के साथ या प्रोनाउन के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है ताकि वो बता सके कि पर्सन के साथ हर थिंग के साथ उसका क्या रिलेशनशिप है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज़ अ काउ इन द गार्डन. हेयर इन इज़ द preposition. The girl is fond of music. Here of is preposition. Now we will discuss kinds of preposition. Preposition, the first kind is preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of manner, and compound preposition. First of all, we will discuss preposition of place. It denotes the place. It denotes the place. ये जगह को जाहिर करता है. For example, went about the world, at desk door, sat beside me, stood behind the कर्टन्स. यानी ऐसी प्रपोजिशन जो कि प्लेस को जाहिर करें वो प्रपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस है. द सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ प्रपोजिशन इज प्रपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम. इट डिनोट्स द टाइम. ये वक्त को जाहिर करती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिफोर, आफ्टर, एगो. आफ्टर हिज डेथ, अराइव्ड बिफोर मी, ड्यूरिंग द होल डे, विद इन अ मंथ. ऑल दीज आर preposition of time. Preposition of manners. It shows the manners of a noun. ये manners of noun को show करता है. With, by, from, for, to, on, till, etc. are the examples of preposition of manners. For example, fought with courage, बहादुरी के साथ लड़ना. Won with ease, dying by inches, etc. Now we will discuss compound preposition. This is the fourth kind of preposition. The definition of preposition. The definition of compound preposition is these types of prepositions are formed by prefixing. Prefix लगाकर ये prepositions बनती हैं. A preposition to a noun. ये preposition जो है ये किसी noun के साथ लग सकती है, an adjective adjective के साथ, और an adverb या फिर किसी adverb के साथ prefix लग के तो compound preposition बनती हैं. For example, across. Here a is a prefix and cross is noun. Across is a compound preposition. Behind, be is prefix. Beneath, beside, inside, outside, or within. Here some are the key points about the preposition. The preposition is usually placed before its object. Preposition जो है वो आमतौर पर अपने object से पहले लिखी जाती है, but it follows as. लेकिन इनको इस तरह से भी लिखा जा सकता है. Here is the watch that you asked for. For is a preposition and it is placed at the end of the sentence. The second example is what are you looking at. Here at is a preposition. Remember one thing, when the object is a relative pronoun, for example, that, what are interrogative pronouns in the sentence, they always placed at the end. जब भी किसी sentence में relative pronoun या interrogative pronouns होंगे तो उसमें जो preposition होगी वो at the end use होगी. So students, this is your preposition. We have been discussed the preposition, definition of preposition, kinds of preposition. The kinds of prepositions are preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of manner, compound preposition, and we have also discussed some examples of these kinds of prepositions.